Want to make your tracks wider and more immersive without losing mono compatibility? Meet Spreader, FL Studio's stereo widening plugin. Designed for clarity, it enhances your stereo image while keeping your mix balanced and centered. Drop Spreader onto your track and adjust the spread control to set how much stereo enhancement you want, from subtle widening to dramatic effects. Use the separation slider to balance mono and stereo, merging sounds or fully separating them for a broader soundstage. To keep bass tight and focused, use the low bypass to filter out low-end frequencies from the stereo effect. For bass-heavy tracks, enable the mono option to keep deep frequencies centered, perfect for bass lines or kick drums. Spreader provides real-time visual feedback through a vector scope showing your stereo image. Aim to keep the spread within the L and R safety lines for a balanced mix. Monitor phase meters to avoid issues that could muddy your sound or cause problems on mono systems. Pair Spreader with FL Studio tools like Stereo Enhancer or the stereo separation knob for even more control. Add depth and clarity to your productions with this versatile plugin. Want to master FL Studio? Comment FL below, and we'll send you a link to our free FL Studio tools and resources.